So what we do next is just apply a primer like that. Hii primer inachomaga watu, so make sure iko kwa kucha peke yake. Are we together? This is acidic primer. You use it like that. So sometimes if you're not sure with your work, you can apply a very thin layer of clear acrylic before you begin. Are we together? Thin layer of clear like that. No. Then you put it there. You see? Then you spread it like that. Make sure imeingia kwa cuticles vizuri, so that this one will also help with retention of your product. It prevents lifting of your product. So una make tu kidogo tu, you just put a thin layer of clear on your nails. Are we together? So this method apply.
What is best coat of this one?
In my assumption, not even assumption, like mimi experience niko nayo ni a base coat, a lot of it, but I can work with any, without base coat, without clear, with clear. But sasa what is the agenda? The agenda is to make sure your clients' nails last longer without them coming back to your salon for what? For repair. So that's why we take these necessary precautions, because kuna wale kucha like utaeka product reject. So this one is guaranteed retention. Then you pick a bead, you bounce. You have something like that. Are we together? Depending on the size of the nails you're working with, then utakuja uiweke karibu na cuticles hivyo. Then now you can tap so that you can control it the way you want. You see that? Unaona? You control your bead like that. Are you together? Sijachukua bead kubwa, nimechukua one bead method like that. So that's one bead method. Before we finish these hands, I'll show you two bead method. Tunaelewana? So I'll take my liquid, bounce kidogo, then I pick my bead. Ni bounce kwa polymer like that. Then I place it around the cuticles. And remember, vidole zimeface wapi? Vidole zimeface wapi? Chini. Sawa? So I'll control this one like this. This is two bead. Control. The powder we are using is my secret. It's one of the best. Itakupea control vizuri. Utaiguide tu na brush until uone product imeanza kustick kwa brush, ndio utarudisha kwa liquid. Sawa? So utatap hivyo, make sure you have control like that. Then kidogo, sawa? Like that. You see that? Unaongeza tu kidogo like that. Then you control like that. Then you have take my brush, deep bounce like that. Then I pick something like that, okay? Then I place it hapo kwa apex. Sawa? Apex ni hapo mahali tips na like this. Uta control like this. You control, then you build it like that. So already usha build your apex, right? So usha build your next. I'll pick another bead, not so large and not so small, and a bit runny, so that when I place it on the cuticles like this, ina settle vizuri. Then I'll tap it, make sure imeingia kwa cuticle vizuri like that. Are we together? Then I'll now blend it with this one. Una make sure imeingia kwa cuticle vizuri before you join them. Are we together? So that's a two bead method like that. We will repeat the same a better bead. So you pick like that, then you place it at the apex. You let it rest kidogo before you start controlling. Then make sure vidole zimeface chini so that your product can flow nicely. Are we together? Like that. Then in case umeka excess, you can remove like that, and make sure you control until you get the shape perfectly. Because remember, inachoma. Next, we'll take another bead and place it on the cuticle area like that, eh? Then we control, una make sure imelala kwa cuticle vizuri like that. Then now you blend it with the other one. Are we together? Ukiona liquid ina nini product ina stick kwa brush, that means brush yako isha kwa stuffy. So una clean, then now you do that. You see?